How does headline fever differ from corruption? I didn't know at first eating kimchi cheonggukjang yogurt makes your stomach feel better. But on the other hand, there are people who are reluctant to call it buffet because of the smell. By the way, is Paris and corruption really different? Scientifically, both are processes by which microorganisms break down organic matter. But the results are just the opposite. Decay produces harmful substances and smells bad. On the other hand, fermentation produces beneficial substances in our body. Vitamin enzymes, organic acids, various fragrances. Here's why food is good for your body. Who makes that heat? It's microbes, yeast, lactic acid bacteria, fungi, and complex microorganisms that encompass all of these. At the center of it is the causative bacteria. Mycobacterium is a combination of 12 beneficial microorganisms derived from traditional Korean fermented foods. It can be said that kimchi cheonggukjang and miso vinegar are fermented by microorganisms. This bacterium survives even at high temperatures, shortens the fermentation time, and keeps the quality of fermentation constant. So we're going to use the drum directly. In this video, you will learn the difference between fermentation and spoilage, and try using Yuin U1 in fermented foods such as kimchi cheonggukjang and yogurt. Especially in the modern truth environment, we will also practice how to use breathing fermentation vessels and create cloud microorganisms to ensure good fermentation. Now, heating is not a difficult technology. It's a healthy habit to start at home. Healthy fermented foods protect the health of you and your family. Bacterial agent plus bacteria.